back to the No Limit Crypto channel. So in this video we are looking at Quant. Quant right now looks like it might be breaking out of his channel. So if you enjoy these daily cryptocurrency videos, please consider liking and subscribing. Let's get right into the chart. So what do we have in Quant right now? So we have already closed below this trend line, this support line right here, and right now we are just pushing up against it. We pushed in, but it looks like we are going to fail on getting in or getting back into the channel again. So I think right now we just have to start looking at the downside. Where do we find support? I will tell you where I think Quant is going to retrace to, and I'm also going to tell you why that isn't that bad. There's two exact reasons for that, so stay tuned for that one. So where do we find support? First support line could come in at $3.30. Second one at exactly 300, a big psychological zone or level. After that at $270, and this is not a random line drawn on the chart. It's actually based on the 1 hour, I believe. Yeah, so on the 1 hour we have tested this as support. So I chose to draw that one on the 4 hour chart as well. And after that we are looking at $250, and after that we're looking at getting back down to where we started. But don't worry, I don't think we are going to go back where we started. I think we are still due all-time highs here, but we might just have to wait for them for a little longer. Obviously, we still can break into this channel, and at that point I'm looking at this sort of triangle forming right here. So we have a target of that triangle formation, which is exactly almost where all-time highs, or not all-time highs, but where the upper level of the channel is, which would be nice. But right now that doesn't seem super relevant for us as we are below the channel. But if that happens, obviously we're looking at breaking this trend line. That is the most important thing. But yeah, so where do I think we are going? I'm gonna use Fibonacci's for this one. And in particular, we are looking at the 0.618 line. We do possibly get strong support right here at 0.5 and $300. This is going to be a strong level of support. I still think we might go and retrace back to the 0.618 as we often do. So that is my prediction. Okay, now I'm going to tell you why is it not that bad. First of all, when I talk about these low levels, I can hear you scream, in panic. No, I'm just kidding. No one's panicking. You shouldn't panic. But what does this mean? That we go down to the 0.618, worst case scenario, always 0.786. It means acquire more, buy more. For me at least. For me that means buy more, not financial advice. But once we start reaching these levels, I'm buying more. And I'm buying cheap. And I'm happy when we go back up. It's that simple. It's an easy way to wait for us to retrace to good prices. And the good prices doesn't have to be the 0.382. The good prices often come in at the 0.618 and the 0.786. So that is my strategy. Again, it's not financial advice, but that is the way I do it. And I'm 100% going to be buying around $275, and I'm gonna keep buying until we hit the 0.786 line down here. It's that easy. But yeah, so why am I so confident in buying more? Okay, Let's take a weekly graph. So I'm back with a clean chart, and we're just gonna draw that, like, I think it was 275, and then it was like 230-ish, something like that. Let's draw order. So what is the thing that I'm telling you that it's not bad? I've been like preaching this out in my latest videos, like just zoom out. Like if you zoom out, it's so much easier, and it's much easier to be, and you get an overall view of the market. Like it's so choppy on the lower time frames. It's nice for trading and it's nice for making moves. But if you start feeling worried about a downtrend, you bought here, you don't zoom out to the weekly chart and take a look at what is happening. Like, where could we go? I think we can fairly clearly here see what is a bad level to go to. Okay, I think all of you guys know a bad level would be something like this. We would be creating a lower low. That is bad. So these Fibonacci's, what I'm talking about is you can acquire at a good price. I think anyone would want to acquire on 220. And when you look at the chart, like anyone would like to acquire. And also this other one, like anyone would love to acquire at 270 when we are right here. So just wait patiently. If we drop to these levels, you buy more. Don't FOMO in. I don't like to preach FOMO. We don't preach FOMO on this channel. Like, wait, just be patient. That's the best way to make money. Be patient. This was all from me. Thank you very much.